Hello, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I am shirtless. We're about to do another round of bleaching, but this time we're just gonna touch up my roots. So probably gonna do 2 rounds of bleaching today. I know in my other video, check out that up in the corner, where I took a break like a week in between each bleaching session. But I've noticed a lot of people have been doing at least 2 sessions, and those people are Asian, so I'm gonna attempt it because I am also Asian, if you hadn't noticed. We're gonna go mix out some bleach powder, and again, using 20 volume. I haven't gone any higher than that. Too scared because I don't want to lose all my hair. So yeah, let's get to it. It's been 30 minutes about, a little bit over probably. Man, I don't know why this area always has such a hard time lifting, but it looks like everything else lifted up pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna go rinse my hair and then do another round, and it should be good for today. Just as expected, orange. Yep, that's still black. And then the right side, I don't know why, my right side's always so difficult to get. So, second round, let's do it. Oh boy, this thing's second time. Hopefully my hair doesn't all fall out. But so far, so good. Like and subscribe. Watch my other videos. Or watch our other videos. Subscribe to my channel. Been 25 minutes, second round. This thing's okay. It's looking, yeah, pretty good if I do say so myself. Oh no, someone's got on my hair. Shampooed and conditioned my hair. It's still really wet. But we got all the dark spots, all the brassiness. I think if once I do the toning, I think it might neutralize some of that yellow. Oh man, back-to-back bleaching hurts. I think waiting a week in between definitely is good advice. So if you want to risk it and do it back-to-back, you can do it. But if you don't want to put up with the pain, wait like a week. Definitely had a lot of hair falling out. No snapping, as you can see. Yeah, hair falls out, but you know, I shed. Got that strong Asian hair. Okay, all right, let's transition to me toning my hair. So it's been about 2-3 days, yeah, 3 days just about, since I retouched my roots, and they're looking not too bad, but I think I'm gonna do another round of bleaching just so that I can lift it up a little bit lighter, because I think, well, this lighting doesn't really help also, but it's kind of orange a little bit, but not too bad. And it's been like about a month now since I did my first bleaching. My hair has lost all of the whiteness that I had put in it. So I haven't washed my hair since I bleached it like 3 days ago. So now I'm just gonna treat it with Olaplex. It made my hair felt really soft. Like I just rinsed it out and I didn't shampoo and condition it. I don't know if it's recommended or not, but you know, that's what I'm doing. And it worked out for me. Everybody's hair is different, so who knows what might happen to somebody else's hair. It's really early in the morning, I'm tired. I also put some argan oil in my hair after I washed it last week. I think it helps. Well, doing anything is better than doing nothing, so yeah, I'm sure it helped a little bit. I'm just gonna mainly focus on my roots and my scalp area. I definitely noticed that my scalp's a lot itchier than normal. I think it's because it's super dry. This feels kind of good. It's like a little bit soothing since it's kind of cold. While I'm sitting for this to like do its thing, I like spray it with some water. Based on what the product says, it only works when your hair is wet or it works as long as your hair is wet. So yeah, I'll just be sitting there and I'll just do this. Just keep my hair moist, just so that I can prolong the treatment. I don't know if it actually does anything.
2 hours later.
Definitely noticed that my hair isn't tangling as much, so that's a good sign. My scalp doesn't feel as itchy as it did earlier. My hair feels really soft, so that's to be expected. I'm just gonna let it air dry, and then maybe tonight I'll put in some argan oil to leave in overnight. Next round, bleaching again, and then toning. Third round of root touch-up. Bleach is on. Now we're sitting, waiting for 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna tone it. Hopefully it turns out the way I'm imagining it to turn out. I got Guy Tang's like product line, but the formula, I kind of just came up with it myself from watching his videos. I guess, well, I didn't really come up with it. I just kind of guessing on how he's doing it based on what I've seen him use. Don't quote me on any of the things I'm doing. It just works because I did my research. Finish shampooing and rinsing out my hair. My hair's falling out like quite a bit, but it's not completely gone, which is good. I think I overprocessed it, but oh well. This is my formula for coloring my hair. I used 5 grams of Mydentity titanium and 5 grams of Mydentity pearl, mixed with 6 volume for a 1:2 ratio. This formula was for the roots only. For the mids and ends, I did about 10 grams of titanium and 10 grams of pearl, and a whole tube of crystal clear, along with 6 volume developer for a 1:2 ratio. We're applying generously throughout the mids and ends and making sure to completely saturate every strand. As you can see, my roots are turning purple due to oxidization. That means it's working. Alright, we applied all of the product with the formula that I don't know if I got it right or not. We'll see when I wash this out. But I was going for like a lavender-ish type of shadow root, and then the rest is gonna be white. Guys, like product definitely feels premium. I mean, if that's even possible. Like it doesn't burn in my hair or on my scalp. It feels kind of like cool. Like, you know when you eat something minty, like a mint, and then you take a deep breath and you get that cool feeling in your mouth. So it feels like that, but on my head. So it doesn't burn, which is nice. Nice change of pace. I'm just gonna let this process for like 25 minutes. And then I'm gonna rinse, shampoo, and condition. Hopefully my hair is gonna stop falling out. Give you results after these messages. So it's been a couple days now since I did the coloring, and as you can see, compared to the first night that I got the color in, my roots are looking gray. It actually, yeah, it just looks gray, but I guess sometimes it looks a little bit violet, a little smoky, kind of like a gray shadow root. I don't mind this. I don't hate it. I actually kind of like that purple, which what I was trying to do, but I don't know if my formula that I tried worked or not. I mean, it worked for like a quick second, but then after that, it turned gray. But I did notice though, and as you can see, my hair looks and feels healthy. And I think that's partly due to using Guy Tang's product line. So I don't know if he formulated it to specifically keep or fix hair, or even just, you know, make it healthy and whatever. But I noticed that it is a lot healthier than the first time I bleached and toned my hair. His product is definitely worth the price based on these results. I don't think it's all hype, so that's good. Thank goodness for that. If you guys want to attempt to do it yourself, you can see that the results worked on me. Just be patient. Definitely, that's important. Don't try and over process your hair all at once. My hair started falling out when I did that, last week. So when I did like 2 rounds of bleaching in one day, my hair started falling out, but not like super bad. And then when I did it again on Friday, today's Monday, I noticed my hair was like falling out like a lot. An alarming rate. My hair was falling out. So I was kind of worried, but now, you know, it's stable. Also actually what I did to help out with, like, I don't know if this made a difference, but after I did the toning process, I washed and shampooed my hair, and then I put on the Olaplex number 3 and left it on overnight. And then I rinsed it off the next day without shampooing, and just rinsed it off. And maybe that also helped to like keep my hair from like falling out or close the cuticles on my hair, because it doesn't feel dry. I don't know if you can hear this. My mic is next to my shirt, but like I'm squeezing my hair. And it doesn't sound like how it sounded when I did it the first time. Like, that sounded like straws being crushed, but it sounds like normal hair. And yeah, you know, it looks bouncy. It's a lot of, well, not a lot of volume, but it's shiny looking, like a healthy hair. I think I'm gonna continue trying to use Guy's stuff in the future. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, check out the other videos, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.